Welcome to the chapter, Use of the Gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that behaves like a noun in a sentence. For example, swimming is fun, swimming is the subject here. You'll see gerunds used as subjects, objects, or after certain verbs. Let's see how they work. So what is a gerund? It's a verb with ing, but it acts like a noun. We say reading is fun, not read is fun. Dancing, eating, swimming, all are gerunds. You can use them as the subject or object in a sentence. Gerunds are often used as the subject or object in a sentence. Swimming is fun, here, swimming is the subject. I enjoy painting, painting is the object. Don't say learn English is fun, say learning English is fun. Many verbs are always followed by gerunds. We say enjoy cooking, finish writing, avoid talking. Also, suggest going, keep calling. Don't use to after these verbs, just the gerund. Gerunds always come after prepositions. You say good at playing, not good at play. She left after eating, not after eat. If there's a preposition like at, in, on, for, or after, use the gerund. Time to practice. 1. I enjoy reading. 2. She is afraid of swimming. 3. Traveling is exciting. 4. He avoided talking. 5. They finished eating. Great job! Let's review the key points. Let's recap. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts like a noun. Use it as the subject, object, or after prepositions. Also use it after certain verbs like enjoy, finish, or suggest. Avoid saying to read or read in places where a gerund is needed. Practice makes perfect. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.